folks, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer YouTube channel. Today I have a brand new release coming from FREEWING and Motion RC. This is their 90mm Zeus. So I have flown it one time. This is just going to be my second flight, so I want to give you guys a little intro to it. So we're just going to fly it, and we're going to get it, then we'll get it on the ground, and we'll talk about some of the features. So it's really nice. A few screws to put it together, no glue. Lights on it, and it's super nice. So you ready to rock?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. So
show us how it's done, hot dog.
Let's see. So we got a 15-foot wide run right here. We're gonna go out on the grass to get it back around, but here we go. You ready? Let me get
direct crosswind. This is how we like it.
That's right. Right, left, up, down.
We perform better under pressure, guys.
There we go. We need a wider runway.
I keep talking to the landowner. He's too cheap.
That's right. There we go. We need to turn around here. All right, let's go with some flaps. You were using full flaps, right?
Full flaps, yeah. She jumps off the ground nice with that.
All right, here we go. Taking off. There we go. And then get those up quick, get that gear up quick. Me and Wesley are just getting familiar with it. So just first flight out, so our second flight out. So we've both only flown it one time, just getting comfortable with it.
How you like that forward?
Oh yeah, that CG is way better. We are right on the 90mm mark. So, oh, much better. Oh, much better. Yeah, it was jumping around.
Right to the wing.
Let me go vertical.
Oh man.
It's got a good roll rate.
And we have a GPS in it, so we'll know the speed here in a minute.
Hopefully it works, yeah.
Smoking.
It hauls. All right, I'm gonna go deep in presentation pass for everybody, okay?
All right.
We're trying not to go too crazy with the first couple flights out.
We need it to live.
All right, it's flying nice.
Right.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with full flaps. Yeah, I saw it pitch up there a little bit. Now it's coming from the other way, the wind, huh? I've got power off. I'm just kind of bring it by slow. I really need to do that the other way. We got a massive tailwind in that direction suddenly.
It's just all over the place.
Yeah, it is pretty much all over the place today. So
nice thing, sport jet.
So I've got, full flaps. I've got the power off. I'm just bringing in a little bit at a time here. Very smooth. Power coming up. Yeah, see when I power it up and you see it nose down?
Yeah, I noticed the same thing.
Yeah. All right, let me bring it back this way. I'm going to
gotta be ready for it.
Coming fast, full throttle. Very nice.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, very slick. All right, I'm going to loop it here. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, roll rate's very nice. Wow, it's snappy. All right, I'm gonna try and come hot from the other direction real fast.
All right.
Let's light up.
Let's see if I can break my neck on this.
I'm gonna go to a slower elevator rate here, lower elevator rate, slightly. Whew. Yeah, let's see what that does. That was a shallow dive, so not too bad. Yeah, you know what? Even going to a medium elevator rate, it doesn't feel like it's a whole lot. Did I lose you there?
I got it. We're good. Get out of them trees.
I was very close to that tree, wasn't I?
Uncle Man.
I was in the notch there. I was in the groove.
That'd have been bad.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop the gear and see what I can do. Were you doing full flaps on the landing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Gotta be ready. Like I said, it does that weird little sink.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do an approach with it and see how it turns out. If it's good, I'll take it. If not, I'll just go around.
Yeah, good touch and go.
My power's off, so it just floats and floats and floats. It's even too hot at 0 power there.
Yeah, totally.
Powered up. Yeah, see it nose down? See that?
Yep.
Yeah, and you add that power, it dives down on you a little.
That'd be something I'd tell everybody ready for. When you're going slow, if you throw the throttle, it kind of pitches down. Just be ready to grab it.
Yeah. All right, let me just bring it in here. You got the timer set on this?
Yeah. You can check it after you land if you want.
My power's off here. I've been off the whole time.
Oh, greaser.
Let me drop. I pulled the flaps up. Yeah, it's a little hot coming in there, but
It looked great.
I'm going to avoid
gear.
I'm going to avoid our hole. We got a hole out there we filled. I'm going to try and go around it. let me take a look at, let me look at my timer.
Just tap the power
Tap
button.
it, there we go. 16 seconds, so that's good enough. Let's bring it back.
Good. We got lots of batteries.
Let's bring it back, let's talk about it a little bit.
Yep.
I know that once we get a little more comfortable with this, you know, we'll be able to do a little more. This is just the first day out, so we're taking it easy. Okay guys, so we're here now. They brought the stand out for me to use, and we'll talk about this a little bit. Wesley's the expert on this. I'm really not. He just brought this out for me to fly around a little bit. I don't know if that'll hit the tail if I put this on there. It won't? Okay. All right, really cool.
It's a beautiful Benchcraft stand.
So this has got a lot of nice features to it. It's pretty sharp. All the stuff. I mean, I want to learn it because I don't really know it, and we'll talk with you about it here and let Wesley kind of talk us through it. Nice latch on the canopy. How fast do you think it went?
Oh, did it work? Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't really feel like you ever dove it. I'm gonna say 130.
We strapped this down in there. We don't know how it's going to be, but let's pull it down.
I'm gonna guess 130.
Let's see what it says. 130.
Man, I'm getting good. Hang on, I can't see.
You want to get on it? Here.
Hang on. Let me zoom out. Bring it in here. Here we go. So everybody knows. Here we go. 130
They're right on the money.
And never actually dove it, so that was nice. Okay, cool.
Well, I had a little shallow dive, but
not really hard.
That gives us an idea of speed.
I think if you really dove this, 150 is capable.
Yeah, it probably would. Yeah, we'll see. But the inside's really clean, folks. The features on this are so awesome. It's got really, really sweet plastic intake, so you don't damage that up. 5,000 pack all the way up. I think a 6,000 is what this really needs, personally.
Feels really good on the 5,000 with it all the way forward.
And it's got a nice screw-in battery tray with lots of, you guys must be watching my F14 video because I got lots of slots there for the batteries now, so you can shift wherever you want. So that's really nice. But look how clean it is in there. Super nice. You got a blue box. This does not come with a stabilizer, right? We just flew it unstabilized.
Yep.
Okay. So lighting package on it. It's got this light. It's got your wingtip lights here with nice lens covers on them. It's got your green there. Are there any more?
Landing light.
Landing light underneath. Yeah, I saw that coming in. And then you've got the flasher underneath.
Yep, landing light and flasher.
Landing light right there. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Does the nose cone come off?
It does.
It does. Okay. Is that magnetic or? Yeah. Okay. It's a magnet with a little wood tray there. And then this is super clean. Look at the finish on this thing. It's slick. These are all submerged hinges, as you can get on there. Wes, I'll let you get on the line there.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. So you can see all that, how nice those are, and the flaps and everything, all submerged. If you want to get on the elevator there now, look at that. All submerged, and they're all, you can see all your horns have screw-backed blocks on them and stuff. So, so super nice. Everything's clean, even the rudder. That's all submerged and everything too. And then to assemble this thing, it looks like the tail goes together, right?
It does. It clips in just like the B-25.
Okay.
And then you've got those screws on the side to secure it on.
So there's clips on top and bottom?
Clips on top, and bottom. And
okay.
Then, yeah,
and screws to hold it in. Okay.
No, wait. I think I take that. I can't remember. I think the screws are top and bottom, and then those clips are on the side, and that's how you can release them if you need to take the tail off.
Okay. So you got 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5.
Yep.
Your elevator looks like there's probably 4 with doublers.
We did change the holes while you're back there too before we flew today on the elevator, and I think that was a good choice.
Yeah, notice the horn holes. Yeah, we put them on the, what is it, the middle hole looks like.
Right. 2
from the inside, because this is a tall horn. That's like a 3D horn. Same thing almost with the ailerons. We went in 1 hole. Okay, so, and we're flying at a high rate. What do you have for high rate?
80%.
80%, okay. CG marks are right here. We flew right on it, okay? And then...
we've flown it aft of it too. We just didn't really feel comfortable there.
Okay. That's your screw for your tail, looks like?
Yes.
Are these the clips then on the sides, maybe?
That's the clips on the sides.
So there's,
okay. I couldn't remember off the top of my head.
No, that's okay, yeah.
It's been a few weeks since I put it
Wes
together.
is the product specialist, so he's got all this stuff in his head that's all jumbled around.
So the holes are so you could reach in there with a screwdriver and unclip it.
Right,
Instead of, on the B-25, you had to pull hard and snap. This was a new redesign on that.
Okay. Retracts are real nice. Nice big wheel, so it operates on grass fine. I'd probably like to see the turning radius a little tighter. We can probably tweak that or something.
Possibly.
Because it's, I mean, this is only a 15-foot runway, but it doesn't turn on this well. So, but it's awesome. I mean, it really, nice gear. I would recommend, Wes, get yourself some contact cement.
Yeah.
Put them on the E-rings, because we lost one the other day on the F-16. The pin got lost, so, you know. And then the retracts. Super nice. There's a little mechanical lever that it hits to close these inner doors.
Yep.
These are
And
just spring loaded. So it has a really nice design. Now Wesley, do I do this when it's on or I flip it up?
You can do it either way. So if you want
can.
them down, yeah. So go on and...
You got buttons to push, right?
Yep. And then you'll see the white that tells you they're unlocked.
They popped out, okay, you got that, right? And then slide this out.
Yep.
And it's really nice. So that's how you can install, and then on the...
and then for transport, on the corner of your doors, you
Yeah.
actually have a hinge to lock them back in.
So when you put them in, you slide this in, you get this under the wheel.
Yep.
And then you lock that in place. So let me take one off completely. I'll unpop this. I'll take take this thing off, the connector, the serial connector. And you can see how nice that is. Check out the metal on this. Those are the latches that these locks pop into. So it's really pretty slick. Somebody thought about it, and then of course they designed a keeper into this.
Yep.
That's slick. Somebody's really thinking about that. I don't know if that's
yeah.
I don't know,
like I said, on the actual door, so with customers that put them into their car.
See the lock right here, guys? That's what he's talking about. You close this, and then you what? Push it?
You just spin it around until it goes in.
Let's see. Let me put...
I've got them spun up in the L, so go...
Which way do you have it?
Go up with it. Let's
Up
see.
this way? There you go.
Boom.
So you can transport it like this, I guess, without the door.
You got to turn it a little.
Oh no, did it turn? Did it go this way? Oh, you push it in?
Yeah, the little tab turns into the fuselage.
Ah, I got you. Okay, so it turned on me. So we take this and here, let me turn it this way so you can see that better. You got it? Yeah, I haven't messed with this, guys. Like
He's
I said,
learning. He's learning.
He's talking me through this, so
now.
it literally is like a discovery flight here. So this keeps your door closed when you're transporting it. So this would be an installation. I would go ahead and just lift this up. I'd grab my wing.
The spar does fit in the fuselage.
Okay, it does. Okay, cool. We'll slide this on.
You don't leave
it at home. And then we grab our serial connector there. I'm going to make that connection, which I know you guys know what that looks like. I'm just going to pop that in so everything's working. And then, so I can tilt this a little so you can see that. I don't know if you can see the metal in there.
Yep.
But as we push this in, okay, we're going to now...
Push the door down.
We're going to push this down and get that underneath.
Yep.
Push this closed, and then we can...
It'll kind of snap.
And you know what I didn't do?
You didn't get the door out.
Yeah. It's almost too complicated. So let's turn it this way, right? So it locks in. Get this under the wheel. Okay, push that in and then snap these in. This is really my first time doing it. He showed it to me once, so once you get used to that, it's a pretty simple and pretty slick setup. So that's real impressive. I tell you, they've done a nice job. Now this is painted white too, right? Mm-hmm. This is all painted white. It looks like the gray. Oh no, this is all decal. This is
decal
all,
out there. Yeah, the airplane's white.
This is all decal. This is painted blue, but this is all the decal. All this whole gray and blue stuff. So. But really slick. I mean, it's really nice. Ball links all the way around. They went with a different ball link too. That's a new ball link. That's like not your standard ball link, is it? Or is that fairly new? Because usually the black ones have a hole in it.
Yeah.
So maybe it's newer because it's not quite, oh, this is a nice little detail too. This is so you can stick something in there to pry once you unscrew,
so you can get the hatch
so you can access your hatch. You know, a lot of times you're digging in the foam, so they just put a little recess in there so you can unscrew your screws, put a tool in there, lift it up, and then you can get into your hatch a little easier without tearing the whole thing up. But very slick. There's a nice cooling intake here. That's to get things over your receiver and everything. Nice big intakes. The reverse works really well on this. In fact, I didn't, here, let me do a little reverse for everybody. They can kind of see that. It actually works very well in this. Something like the F-16s that we just did. There's not a lot of intake in the front, so the reverse thrust is not too effective, but this is actually fairly decent. So let me give it a shot here. I didn't use it this time around. And we're going to have more videos on this. I'll have them more on my channel too for everybody to kind of watch. So let's see. Let's go with that. You got it on the bind button?
Yep.
So yeah, it'll come right back. So it's got a good intake, 2 big intakes to push all that air out. So the reverse works really well. I would use it minimally because, you know, spinning your engine backwards after it's going forwards is usually not the best thing. So, all right, Wes, what did I miss?
I can't think of anything off the top of my head right now.
Yeah,
that we've talked about. Yeah, I think you hit all the features for right now.
Yeah, it's cool. It's very nice. It is a slick model. We're going to be exploring its speed capability a little later.
Customers that want The FREEWING afterburner will bolt onto the back of this motor without having the adapter plate.
Okay.
I know a lot of guys ask me that.
Okay, yeah, it's got a big in runner there.
Yep.
And it's got plenty of holes to, you know, put something on there. Yeah. Oh, so you have the screws in there.
The screws
the
are
screw
there.
holes.
Yeah,
okay.
So you just screw it right on.
Okay, very cool. Yeah, I like this, guys. Stay tuned because we'll do more of this. We'll be flying it a little more aggressively. This is just the very first day, so this is the day where these guys take pictures and stuff out here and you know, get all their promo stuff, and then we fly it lightly and just do a couple flights on it and don't do anything too crazy with it, because this is the only one in the States, right?
It's it.
This is it. So we're used to doing this. This is kind of how we do stuff, just little by little, because you don't want to push it too hard with a new plane. So this is awesome, guys. I will put links in the description box so you guys can check this out. I guess you guys know where to get it, motionrc.com. So Wes, thanks for bringing this out. This is cool.
Yeah, man, had fun.
Yeah.
Can't wait to do it some more.
We're gonna have more stuff like this. Wesley will probably already have his videos by the time you see this on his channel, so we're gonna launch them sort of around the same time, similarly. So, but they'll probably be a couple days or hours off or something. So, and we're gonna have more of this stuff. The new stuff's all gonna be coming here too, guys. So we'll be able to show it to you first, which is cool. So, anyway, guys. Otherwise, I appreciate you all watching. If you don't mind, please share this video around. Let people see it. Sharing the video always helps us out. And also, if you do want to help us out, hit that like button, subscribe, because that you know, let you know, and actually hit the notification bell. That's the thing. So once you hit that notification bell, it will let you know when we put new videos out. So I appreciate you guys watching. Wes, thanks for bringing this out. Stay tuned, guys. We'll have more on this and other planes. So thanks for watching, and as always, guys, we'll see you all next time.